Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. I found my miles.
Oh, I found it. You found the what?
I have 6,700 and I turned it over, so now it's 000. So when it gets to 300, I'll turn it over and then I'll have 7,000. Alrighty, if you recall, about 6,200 and something, I was out riding and my miles went and turned over on me and I couldn't figure out what caused the problem. But had a person comment and I think we figured it out. Since it's made overseas, they do it in kilometers. And if you look and see what 9,999 kilometers is, so evidently I'm the only one.
I'm the only one. I'm the only one.
On YouTube that's ever put 6,200 and some miles on this, because I have never heard no one else having this problem. And if you have, please leave a comment down below that you've had the same kind of problem, but I think that's what the answer is. So just know, if you ever ride 6,213 odd miles, your odometer is going to turn over most likely. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.